Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about the official OneUi 8 update for the Samsung Galaxy devices. So soon we are going to see a Samsung event on the 4th September 2025, and from the Twitter it is official that the Samsung event will be live on September 4th 2025. In this event you will get to see a new Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition and a Tab 11 series. The S25 Fan Edition is rumored to have the OneUi 8 update pre-installed in it. Also, it is rumored that the OneUi 8 update will be soon available for the Galaxy S25 series, and most probably after the event you might get to see the update. As from the Samsung newsroom, they said that in September they will roll out the OneUi 8 update for the Galaxy S25 series. For the further device list, all of the devices from the S21 to the latest S25 series are available for the OneUi 8 update. Also, many of the A series, M series, Z series and the Tab series are eligible for the OneUi 8 update. Also, Turnwatt on Twitter said that you will get to see a 1 GB of update of the September 2025 security patch before the official OneUi 8 update. Now let's see that when we will get to see this new security patch update, and then after the security patch update you will get to see the official OneUi 8 update. If you talk about the features and the changes of the OneUi 8 update, so this time around you will not get to see some new app icons or some UI changes. There will be some Gemini integration with the OneUi 8 update, and some bugs and issues that were there before with the OneUi 7 update will be now fixed with the OneUi 8 update. If we talk about the release, so first of all it will be released for the Galaxy S25 series, and after that it will be released for the eligible devices. Some of the regions will get the update first, while the others have to wait for the 1 or 2 days. And that's it for today's video. These were some of the latest news regarding the OneUi 8 update. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.